My daughter, stop crying. Your father might not mean what he said. Maybe he's trying to get Imiri to solve the problem first.
Mother, why? Why must I be the center of every solution that comes up? Why?
Maybe it's your destiny. The gods want you to be part of the problem solving in this clan.
Mother, father's intent does not matter to me anymore. I will not marry Miri no matter what. I will never. I will not. But I will not marry him no matter what. I will never.
Igwe, tell me you don't mean the promise you made to Mary. Tell me it's just a prank.
I am not one of those men who will open their mouths and say what they don't mean. I meant every word that came out of my mouth. I don't understand what is going on. The people that committed this crime were never members of my family. Why is it that I am now required to be the one that is paying the price? Why?
What are you talking about? What price?
It's not obvious. You know, it's not obvious that the gods are targeting something tangible from my family. They are. The princess is the target and they want her by all means. Can't you see the sign? No, can't you read the sign?
Rats like you can challenge restless souls like us for a fight.
Okay, the cockroach is not safe in the gathering of chickens. You restless spirits, taking the lives of my people, and you think you cannot be stopped? Huh?
The one you call your people are the same people that banished and abandoned you in the forest of the dead. Why are you doing this? Let them face their fate!
The foolish has to say something, but the wise has something to say. It sounds foolish to me hearing you trying to turn me against my people. Very foolish.
Mira, I am warning you. I am warning you. Join us, and together we will make them pay for all the evil they did to you, to my sister here, and myself. Join us, Miri.
Okene! Okene! No matter how ugly the goat frowns his face, it will never stop its owner from taking it to the market.
You know what you are? You are a butterfly that thinks it's a bird.
Odolamo! Mbumalu! Mbumeli! Mbumevo! Mbumapara! Mbuma chokoro bataga manuzuzo! Mbumevo! Okene! Mili! Okene! Mili! Mili Mwilo! I am okay, Mili. Let's go!
Ifabu ife mmo ejelo be mmo ekwudolu mmo. Ifabu okwu mmo ejelo be mmo ekwudolu mmo. Odogu bini eje nadi anokwanu na ebuto so.
How do we know where the spell was buried? How do we find the place?
I am sure it's in this bush. Where the spell was buried is the same place they died. I will know when I see the spot.
How far is it?
Dikeh, no matter how far a man can urinate, the last drop must end between his feet. We must find something. Dikeh, the son of Odogwu Agabidu, the brave son of Ilo Kingdom. This is the spot. Do not rage like the storm. It is I, Okemiri. I am the sound, Surugidi. I am the moves, Surugede. I am the dance of the spirits. Hey, 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 hey. Ogene, Ogene. I am the body enemy of the supreme beings. I am the son of Obobri Shaka, Owa Pirinewu. I am the deity that eats cooked food like abacha and well-peppered dry fish. I am the son of Obobri Shaka. Okene! Okene! I am Okemiri, the gift from the gods to my fatherland, Elinda. I see your moves. I see your moves, restless spirits. The bird that flies off the sky and lands on an anthill is still on the ground. Okay. Mbumalu, mbumeli, mbumevo, mbumapara, mbumachokoro, bataga manuzuzo, mbumuwadien. Spirits of my ancestors! It is I, Okemiri! I am a gift from the gods to my fatherland, Elendam. Hear me now! O ye spirits, restless spirits, become at the sound of my voice. Oh, what? I am Surugete, the dance of the spirit. Dikeh, the son of Odogwa Gabidu. This is the spell that has been fighting against our land. Dikeh, pick it up. Come in! Odogu. Dikeh, pick it up! It is your prime! Restless spirits. Pick it up!
This is our hut.
I teleported us with your energy. That is why we are here.
Miri, I do not understand. My energy, how?
You ask too many questions, Dikeh. Listen, you have a gift inside of you, but you do not know yet. Why do you think I chose to go with you in this mission? Dikeh, let us go to the palace. I am sure the Igwe and the chiefs will be waiting for us.
Oh yes, they will. They will. Dikeh,
Let's go. Let me tell you something, Dikeh. A man that pays respect to a great person is only paving way for his own greatness.
If I be more ejelo bemmo ekudolo mo. If I go open more ejelo bemmo ekudolo mo.
Honestly, my elders, I am confused and tired. I feel the best thing for me to do to solve this problem is to go ahead and persuade the princess.
No, you will. You don't have to do that. The major part of the job has been done. That is bringing Miri back to this clan. Yes.
But how will they be able to locate the bush where the spell was buried?
You don't need to worry about that. Miri has been chosen by the gods. And he has the power, the ability to locate the bush. And when he locates the bush, locating the spot is not a problem. So we need to be patient. Yes.
This whole thing is eating very deep into my spirit.
Igwe, I understand how you feel. Be patient. There you are.
To the top of the pantry. Your Highness, we are back. In here is the spell, and we need to take it to the village square in order to get it burnt, thereby sending the spirits to the land of the dead. Igwe.
Welcome back, my sons. You both have indeed rendered a very powerful service to our people. So, when should we take the spell to the square to destroy that which ought to be destroyed?
Tomorrow morning. But before that, I have a ritual to perform. I will need to put the spirits in their spots before I get it burnt. In order to do that, I need to be in a serene environment.
It's okay. We understand what that means. But is there anything you want us to do for you to further facilitate the success of this process?
No. Just wait for tomorrow morning.
Mother, why? Why? Why has father chosen to sacrifice my happiness, my life, for the people of Ilo community? Mother, please, this is not my dream. This is not my dream to marry a wretched wizard.
Stop, my daughter. Whatever your father has said, it is for the good of this community. You will marry Miri, but you will not live with him in the forest of the dead. We will build a house for you people here and will make you rich so you can live happily.
Mother, there won't be any form of happiness in a marriage with a wizard. I can't do that. I can't.
My daughter, please, you have to calm yourself down. Please.
Mother, no. I can't do it. Mother, how can I marry a man I don't love? No, I can't. I won't. Father, why? Why did you accept the condition given to you? Why? Why did you accept the condition? Why, Father? Why? Is there no other alternative? Why, Father? Why? Why?
Thank the gods it was a trance. That simply means my daughter is angry with my decision.
This is bloody. This is bloody. This is bloody. This is bloody. This is not what we bargained for. This is not what we want for our kingdom. This is not what
Obirike biawe aye aye kemia. Obiri biawe aye aye kemia. Obirike ndawe aye aye kemia. Obiri biawe aye aye kemia. When a bird learns to fly without betching, then the hunter will learn to shoot without targeting. A man that plans to go on a revenge journey should first dig 2 graves. Osulemo! Oh, you restless spirit! Hear me. You have taken blood to quench your thirst. You have had your own revenge on my people. Now I beseech you to rest in peace and let my people be. My people, the days of pain and agony in our land are over. Finally, peace is back in the land of Ilo. Our farm shall feed us for the rest. And so shall it be, because the gods are with us.
Mother, have they gone to destroy the pot?
Yes. My daughter, calm down. I know why you're so bad.
Hey, Uchibu!
Princess!
Hey!
Princess, don't do
Princess!
that, please.
Your Highness! Your Highness! Your
What is it?
The queen said you should come. The princess has taken her life.
What?
Yes.
Princess, please. Princess, please. Oh, don't do this to us. Oh, princess.
Hey!
Princess.
Oh my Chimue!
Princess, please.
Princess!
Princess. Hey.
What happened to Princess? Igwe? What happened to Princess?
She killed herself.
What? How? Why?
She said she does not want to marry Miri. She can't live in the forest of death.
Hey! What is it? Me? Can't you help? Is there nothing you people can do?
My people, a crippled has never been seen running mad. Igwe, it is because madness are for mortals that can run. I am Okemiri. I am a gift from the gods to this land. My presence can never bring doom. It can only bring peace. And peace it will bring. Mbumolu, Mbumeli, Mbumevo, Mbumapara, Mbumochokoro, Bataga Manuzuzo, Mbumwodieli. Arise! Arise, princess! Arise. Okay, Mary!
The princess is back. Hey! She's alive. Hey! The princess. The princess.
Yemaya katone beri, yemaya katone beri, ya banafo, ya banafo. Yemaya katone beri, yemaya katone beri, ya banafo.
Igwe, my people, I do not have any intention on getting married to the princess. It was only a test to test my people. The gods are wise. Igwe, I have gotten used to the forests of the dead. I think that is where I belong now. I will be going back to the forests of
Miri, you are not going anywhere.
Yes.
You are a man of this land.
Yes.
A man we judged wrongly. You belong here.
Yes.
And I want you to know you are going to remain here.
Yes.
And live amongst your people.
Exactly.
It is already established that you are a good man.
Yes.
For even when you were banished wrongly, you kept fighting for us.
Yes.
You kept waging unseen wars for us.
Yes.
And I want to thank you for answering this call. After everything we did to you, we called you to come and help us. And you still came. A good man that we judged wrongly. Yes. One more time, I apologize.
May you live long, Your Highness.
Yes. Odogu, I promised you that if your son Dikeh will succeed in bringing a Miri back to this land,
yes,
and if Miri should help us solve our problem, that I am going to release my princess to him as his wife.
You promised.
Holding my staff in my hand one more time, I fulfill that promise.
Iwe.
Before everyone here gathered, I decree that my princess and Dikeh, your son, are now husband and wife.
Dikeh nwa. Dikeh nnya. Dikeh nnya. Igwe.
Utu Dikeh mulodogu. It is already established that a great man must always give birth to a great son.
Exactly. Ife. Igwe. Igwe, I will take good care of your daughter. She'll be happy with you.
Onye mgburu masị gODS n'ụwa ọma mgba n'ọsọ ọkwa onye bara nkwa arụrụ ka ngwere bịara oriri ewu isi kote buru o nwere ka esi m ụwa ka o si joge Somebody know where Jesus got oh Jesus got oh Jesus got rage of death, rage of death. Rage of death. When rock is in we are in pain, we are in sorrow. Somebody know where Jesus got we are dying, oh Jesus got we are dying, oh Jesus got our Lord is in sea, rage of death. Rage of death. And when rock is in cause